Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Data Learners. Today we will work on a Power BI sample which we downloaded from a website, and I will show you how to run this sample on your local desktop, and as well as connecting to the data source and refreshing it. So let's start, and you will see what we were trying to do. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is the healthcare dashboard main which I downloaded from the website. So let's extract. We will extract it to here. Okay, so now we have extracted our this compressed file to a available file. So let's run this one. Let's run over this. Okay, so we have that data here, and let's try to refresh, and we'll see if it works fine or not. That's the main goal right now. You see, now we're getting an error. It says the error says you see when I downloaded this file desktop on a desktop version of my computer, Power BI desktop, and it's giving me an error when I'm trying to refresh. It says files or folder could not find or part of the path, data, detailed data set, and all that. You know, why is giving this error? We have this file here, you see, but it's giving us this error, you see. So today we will resolve this issue. Let me try that again. See, we are getting an error. We cannot refresh the data. So let's try to resolve this error today. Okay. That's a very important concept to understand how to refresh our data once we downloaded this file from the main website. So let's see. Let's go to the transform data. You see, in transform data, we have these one, two, three, four files, but we don't know why these are not working. So let's see the source of that. If we go to the applied steps, we are going to the source of number one department. Okay, let's do that. You see here it says uses CHEN download healthcare dashboard, right? So these files, this path is different than the path we have right now. So let's browse that, and then we will go to the desktop, and then we'll go to the our folder, and in this folder we have this our file. And here we have this. So let's do that. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to the, you see we have connected this one. Now we have to connect the second one. Same step, go to the source, browse, and then now we have to connect to the new path where we have stored our downloaded data, right? I hope I'm trying to, I'm clarifying the issue, right? Basically, it had the previous path. Now we are changing into the current path where our data source, where our file is saved. Okay, so let's open. Okay, this one is done now. Okay, so this one is done now. Now let's do the next one, third one. Browse. Okay, now do the last one. Browse, and then this one. Okay, so we have updated that. Now we close and apply. Now it will again working on that. Okay, now it's done. Now let's try to refresh it now. You see now it's working perfectly all right. So in this short video, my goal was to explain when how to update the data links or source of the data of this dashboard once we download it from the different site. Okay, so that's it for today. And in the next video, I will work on this dashboard, explain how to create a dashboard like that. So that was a very common issue were faced by a lot of our viewers. So, so that's it for the video today. Thank you very much and have a great day.